Hey people, so this is a Sunday as I'm recording all this, and making these videos requires willpower. Yeah, I mean, somewhat. The weather outside is beautiful today, but yeah, I have to continue with this YouTube recording. So Woot, the particular app has this thing known as shortcuts, which has these just like 11 minutes 15 minutes long short stories kind of thing. So there is this particular short story called Bauma. Bauma is actually, it means I don't know, it's a Bengali word. So I mean, it's just so interesting. Yeah, in like probably in just 15 minutes they tell us the story of a very dominating husband who when he passes away, it's like his eyes have been donated for research. So his very docile submissive wife manages to get those particular eyes and then keep keep it with her to, to kind of do the things that she couldn't do while that husband was alive. So honestly, at some level this might seem like a very pointless story, but it is also very reflective of the kind of yeah, we take it for granted, yeah, that being urban and city based, and most importantly of 2020, this the same kind of life 20 years ago in 2000 it was different, and in like in the 90s, 80s, 70s, 60s, life was very different. So really, people, try and check it out. It's called Bauma, Bouma, and it's on Woot. And these are very interesting short little stories. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.